Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are preparing our yummy egg and plantain frittata. On the table we have what it takes to make this. Here I have 2 fingers of plantain, I have my tomatoes, my pepper, Scotch bonnet, I have my boiled chicken breast, I have the hot dog, I have green beans, green pepper, I have red pepper, bell pepper, onion, salt, carrot, mix seasoning, my groundnut oil and my egg. So let's get cooking. I'll start by slicing my tomatoes, then stir fry the vegetables. So I'm done with the tomatoes, so I'll just go and stir fry the tomatoes with the other veg. So the heat is on. I'll add my oil into the frying pan. I'll allow the oil to be a bit hot before I put in the onions. Let me check if it's hot enough. We can just wait for some time to allow it to be hot. So I'll pour in the onions now. Allow it to saute for some time before I add in any other thing. The heat shouldn't be too much when you are doing this. So now I'll add in my chicken breasts. The hot dog, the tomatoes and pepper, I'm adding little mixed spice to give it some more flavor. I like it to be a bit hot, that's why I add pepper, so you have this hot taste when you are eating it. So just leave it for like 3 minutes to cook more before I add in the other vegetables. While the tomatoes is on the gas cooker, I'll now dice in the plantain. You can cut it any shape you want, but I just want to dice mine, then I'll cut some in a round shape too. The oil for this is already on the fire, heating up. Like I said, you can cut it into any shape that you want. I forgot, I wanted to cut some in a round shape. I just forgot. Anyway, I'll still do it the way I want to do it. I'm done cutting the plantains. So let me go and check my tomatoes. I will sprinkle some salt on it to make it tasty. The tomatoes is okay now for just putting the other veg. This is the carrot that I just put in now. This is the beans, green pepper, yellow pepper, and the red pepper. Then I'll add salt to taste. Just little salt. Allow it for 2 minutes before you turn off the heat. The plantain is already on the other burner frying. While waiting for the plantain to fry, let me crack my eggs. When you are cracking your eggs, I know you are cracking plenty eggs. Don't crack all in the bowl at the same time. You have to crack one at a time because you might have a bad egg and it will spoil like maybe 30 you have already broken. I'm using 6 eggs for this. So just mix. I'll add some salt to it. So the egg will have its own salt. Let me check the plantain if it is fried. The plantain is still frying. It's okay when it's turning golden brown. You can see the plantain is golden brown, so it's good to go out of the oil. Get a paper napkin in your strainer to soak in the oil. I'm done with my sauce, so I'll just pour everything in the bowl of egg or in the bowl of eggs that I whisked. Then I'm adding some of my plantains. I'll leave some to dress it later. So I'll stir everything in to combine well. So I just added a drop of oil in the frying pan again. Make sure when you are doing this, you use a non-stick frying pan. Because if you don't use a non-stick frying pan, it's going to get stuck to the frying pan. So I'm just going to pour in our mixture. I left some veg when I was putting the fork because I wanted it to be colorful up here. So I'm just adding it now. Then I still have some plantain left. I'll just put it on top. You can see how colorful the face of our frittata is now. Please, if you have followed me to this point and you have not pressed the like button, please do. So I'll just cover the pot, the frying pan now. Let it cook slowly on a low heat. is going to be on a low heat. It might take like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll just cover it, let it cook gradually. Then I'll come back. See the face of our frittata. You can see it has different colors. So I'll leave it now to cook for like 10 minutes, and it's going to be on a low heat. So I'll just cover the frying pan now. This is our egg and plantain frittata. Very spicy, looks colorful. My kids will say it's plantain pizza. It's good for kids who don't like to eat veg. You can put all the vegetables you want, and there's no way you can pick it out. You'll just eat it. Sweet, yummy. You can go try yours and let me know at the comment section. Please share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you with another recipe. Thank you and bye-bye.